Worldox provides you with many ways to customize your search results screen. This video will focus on column headers in Worldox. So let's begin by discussing how to add, edit, and remove column headers, and then we'll talk about how to sort them. To add a column, left-click in the dark gray space and choose which column you wish to add. There are many here to choose from, and if there's a caret pointing to the right, it indicates that there are more items under that topic. The fields that you complete when you're filing the document are in the cabinet fields list, and you can choose to display either the code or the description. We'll add the doc type description by selecting it from the list. Now we can move our columns around to put them in the order we'd like them to appear. For example, I like all dates to be together. So I'm going to move the created date to the far right-hand side of the screen next to the modified date. Hover over the column header until the hand appears. Then select it with your mouse and move it to wherever you'd like. Finally, we can delete a column. Now that I have the doc type description, I'd rather not waste space in my list having the doc type code. To remove the doc type code, I can again hover over the column header until the hand appears and drag and drop off the screen. Now I've got the columns that I'd like in the order in which I'd like them to appear. Next, we can choose to sort based on whichever columns we'd like. To sort our columns, choose Change Sort, and then Sort Files another way. This allows me to sort 3 different ways. So I can sort by date modified, then the category code and the doc type code by selecting OK here. If I'd like to change that, you could also pick from the list. Once you've gotten your columns arranged the way you'd like, you have 2 options. Option number 1 is you can save them to use later. This is great for instances when you only do things once in a while and you don't want that to be your default column header template. You can save them to be associated with a particular find template. That's your second option. To save them for occasional use later, right-click on the dark gray space and choose Save Column Template. In this instance, you'll choose Template Name and then give the template a meaningful name. You can choose to make that available for only me or for everyone if you have power user rights. Now, at any point in time, I can load this column header template by right-clicking in the dark gray space, choosing Open Column Template, and choosing the one I'd like. Alternatively, if you don't want to have to select the column header template each time, you can right-click in the dark gray space, choose Save Column Template, and associate it with the type of list that you have used to create the search. You can again make this available for only me or for everyone. Now, when I run my client search, it will default to this column header template. Note, if another user associates a column header template as only me, it will override the global column header template, so power users can select everyone to give new users a starting place to work from.